How to turn on nearby device scanning on your Samsung phone with One UI 7.0. So before I continue, nearby device scanning is the feature that lets certain Bluetooths show up as a pop-up animation on your Samsung phone. So for example, if you have a Galaxy Buds or any Samsung product and you turn on the Bluetooth for it, it's going to show up in a pop-up animation. And if you've been looking to show that on your phone, this is the feature that you need to turn on. On your Samsung phone, use a quick access like this here, go into the settings toggle. And once you do this, you can always use the search option and type in the words nearby device scanning. Just go ahead and start typing. You'll see the suggestion. And when you see it, tap on it. It'll show you where to go next. You can turn it on from here, or you can tap on the words and turn it on from there. And it tells you right here, your phone will scan for devices nearby and get that in a pop-up or notification panel. So if you've been looking for that, that's where you would go to turn it on. And of course, you can turn this off if you are not using it or planning to use it at any time soon, as it may use some battery life when you don't know about it. Like it's up.